Hi, I am George. Today I'm walking through nature and I decided to show you what growing in Moldova. What flowers. Searching for wild flowers and show you the blooms. Beautiful, and I like nature to walk, and I would love to show you the flowers. Just maybe in your country this flower growing too. We will see, and let's show you the flowers. So there in nature I found two types of flowers. Let's see this beautiful yellow flowers. Nice flowers, you can see, so beautiful, growing there in nature, and without care, just growing, and it's beautiful. And another, this is the same, but this is flower buds, and so like at the flower buds. Okay, this another flower, I do not know the names of these plants. Maybe them used in medicine. So looking this one, and look at this one, at the leaves, how it looking. Great. Another flower I found there, you can see beautiful at the flowers looking, and look at the leaves, doing great, growing there. This flower you can find everywhere in Moldova. Look, what insect is that? Okay. And now this flower is a kind of plant. I don't prefer these things. You can see. So they attach the clothes, and I don't prefer that. Just they grow and they are beautiful, but to touch with my clothes I do not want. And you can see it's blooming, yellowing too. I cannot focus, but anyway, you understand, I think. Another yellow flower I found, and this I know the name, I'll put on the video. Just this is a medicinal plant and it's very useful, doing great, and it looks so beautiful, it's looking and growing there, and can see beautiful leaves it have. This tree now flower, okay, doing great, so beautiful flower. Another plant will bloom soon, as you can see, growing there. It have flower buds, you can see, growing amazing, wild. And another plant there, you can see, I found so beautiful this flower. I think it's medicinal, doing great. Look what I found. What is that? Write in the comments. The first time I see that plant, and just I'm so excited. What is that? How it smells at the leaves? Interesting plant. It's medicinal or not? I do not know, but I enjoy. I found it. Another one flower. You can see, very beautiful, growing in nature, wild, just amazing. And look what I found there in nature. I found another flower, white, and this flower also can find in Moldova everywhere. You can see, beautiful. I think it's used in medicine, this plant. So beautiful it looking. Look at the leaves, how it looking. I cannot focus, but look. Interesting plant. Another beautiful yellow flower I found there, and you can see, so nice flower. So many flowers I found in this day, amazing. I enjoy so much. Look how it looking at the leaves, this one. Interesting plant. This spiny plant growing there will bloom soon, and I will take photos. I will upload on Instagram. This blooming very beautiful, and just look how it looking at the leaves. Doing great, this one. They're growing so kind of grass, you can see, and it's beautiful, very beautiful. There are many. Another one, I think this plant is familiar, and just look at the leaves and flowers, pink flowers, doing great. Just look, beautiful, no? I like the leaves. What is that middle of the leaf? Interesting. I walked a little bit and I found another flower. This is beautiful, and I moved 2 meters and another flower, so I enjoyed so much. This is purple flowers, beautiful. You can see the leaves. I do not see. I mean, look at the leaves. So leaves it here, and that's it. I found another flower, and I think it's familiar too. You can see beautiful blooms, and it's smelling nice. This plant, look at the leaves. Amazing plant. So nice, I found it. I found another yellow flowers, as you can see. They are so beautiful. So beautiful flowers, you can see. I think all the flowers are used in medicine, something like that. Another and another. I found another one. You can see, beautiful. And I live from there 100 meters to my house. That's nice. I live near the nature. I like this grass, is so beautiful now. You can see, amazing. And now it's almost the sunset. As you can see, the sunny. Like so much this place. Another beautiful flower I found in the grass. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. So beautiful leaves. Another one, just there, not in bloom yet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Write in the comments if any of these plants growing in your country, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Greetings from Moldova, and have an amazing day.